Hi guys, I'm Frank again, and I've got the white Nexus 4 here waiting for unbox it and review it. So let's get to it. The Google Nexus 4 is powered by a 1.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 Pro processor, and for graphics it has a Adreno 320 GPU. It has Android 4.2.2 on it. It has a 8 megapixel photosphere camera on the back and a 1.3 megapixel camera on the front. On the bottom there is the micro USB port, and on the left side there is the micro SIM slot and the volume rockers. On the top of the phone there is the jack, of course, and on the right side of the phone there is the power button. Okay, so let's unbox this Nexus 4. Well, it comes in a really good looking box, and here is the phone itself. Yeah, it's white, yeah. And some papers. Oops, sorry. The warranty quick start guide. Yeah, the adapter and the USB cable, and I've dropped this thing to, open the micro SIM slot of the phone right here. Okay, in my opinion the Nexus 4 is a really good looking phone because it has that pattern on the back. The Google Nexus 4 is a really powerful phone because it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 Pro processor. It's a quad-core processor pointed at 1.5 GHz, and it has a Adreno 320 GPU for the graphics, so power or speed won't be a problem for the Google Nexus 4. The Nexus 4 has a 8 megapixel photosphere camera on the back and a 1.3 megapixel camera on the front for video calling. Okay, so as I told you, and the Nexus 4 comes with Android 4.2.2 operating system, and it has a really good camera application on it. Yeah, it takes really good pictures, and Google Now was announced with this phone, and this Google Now is available from everywhere on the phone. Like, this is the lock screen, and you can jump into Google Now from the lock screen. And the two-finger swiping is a special thing for Android 4.2.2. So if you swipe it with one finger, we just pull down the notifications bar, but if you swipe with two fingers, you pull down this quick settings bar, which is a cool thing, I think. And the Nexus 4 has 2 GB of RAM, so it can run lots of programs at one time, and it's a really fast phone, because as you see I can jump into applications like this, and it's really fast. Like, it's faster than any phone that comes with some UI on it. So this stock Android, they call it the Android Vanilla, is really fast, especially on the Nexus 4. Good. Okay, to make this review more deeper, I tell you that I've reached in At&t benchmark about 10,000, yeah, here it is, 14,000 scores, which is not the best this time, because you see the number one is above 30,000 scores. So the Nexus 4 is not the most powerful phone on the market, but I think it's enough for a normal person. So it's not the most powerful phone on the market, but it's really good for playing. You see, this is Riptide GP. Really good game, and it needs some power to handle those graphics, and the Nexus 4 is really good to play, because I can't see any lags or crashes or anything. It's just a good phone to play. The stock browser on the Google Nexus 4 is the Google Chrome, which is fast, but well, I just don't like it. I like the Dolphin browser a lot more, because it's faster and it's just better. Google Nexus 4 is packed with a 2100 mAh battery, and this the battery life of the phone is really good. Because the Nexus 4 is, because the brand Nexus, the Nexus 4 is a Google-based phone, and it comes with a lot of Google apps pre-installed, like Gmail, Google+, Mail, Play Store, Play Music, YouTube, and Google Hangouts, and of course Google Now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. This was the unboxing and review video of the white Google Nexus 4. Thanks.